Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Toyota Land Cruiser with cardboard. First, gather your essential tools: sturdy cardboard, a sharp craft knife, a reliable ruler, and a hot glue gun. Next, find or create a template for your Land Cruiser model. You can print one online or sketch your own design. Always work in a clean, well-lit area to ensure accuracy and safety throughout your crafting process. This preparation is key for a smooth build. Now, let's move on to cutting and shaping your cardboard pieces. Using your craft knife, carefully cut out all the individual body panels according to your template. Remember to score any fold lines lightly before bending the cardboard. This creates much crisper and more professional-looking edges. Start by assembling the foundational parts, like the main chassis and the cabin sections, as these will form the core structure of your Land Cruiser model. With your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Use your hot glue gun to securely attach all the cardboard components. Hot glue dries quickly, making it perfect for this project. Next, bring your Land Cruiser to life by adding smaller details such as windows, wheels, and bumpers. For added strength and longevity, reinforce any potentially weak points or joints with small strips of extra cardboard. This step ensures your model is robust and holds together well. Finally, let's add those finishing touches and customize your Land Cruiser. You can paint your model with acrylic paints to give it a realistic color and texture. Consider adding small accessories like a roof rack, a spare tire, or even tiny mirrors to enhance its authenticity. Once complete, find a special spot to display your impressive cardboard Toyota Land Cruiser. It's a fantastic way to showcase your creativity and crafting skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.